Okay, so I'm going to this restaurant and I found this air conditioner that I thought would be good to film. And I don't see a nameplate or anything. I don't know what brand it is, but in here it's a little dark in there, but can't really see. But where's it's right here, but I can't read it. Well, do you have your phone so you can use the flashlight? Yeah, by the looks of it, it might be like a Payne or a Bryant or something, but I don't think it says anything right there. But yeah, it's the model number. Carrier. It's a Carrier.
It says Carrier Corporation.
Okay. It's a Carrier, and let me see that. Look down here, you can see the compressor. There's the fan blades. It's a GE fan motor.
How many blades?
Three blades. And yep, it's a Carrier. And someone left their spoon right there. Other people like air conditioners too. And here's some snow. And it's a central AC. It's not a heat pump. But yeah, here's another look at the model number. Yeah. There it is. Yeah. Carrier air conditioner. Okay.